Hi, my name is Novazila Shafika and my metric number is CE210206. So, I'm doing the question 1. For the question 1A is we need to derive all the possible chain expression for by using a suitable diagram, and then that's the answer. We take out the W and X, Y, and Z, and we elaborate to P, Q, R of each for the X, Y, and Z. For the question A2, we need to find the dW over delta R, and we got the answer 2x cos theta plus 4yq sin theta. And then next, for the question B, we need to determine the delta Z over delta R for fx square z cube minus 5yz square minus 3z equal to xy minus xy square. And then we got the answer for delta Z over delta Y is as shown like this. And then for the question C, by using the double integral, we need to determine the area, and we got the answer is 34.5 unit. And for the question C2, we got the answer in the first octant is pi over 2. And then we doing the MATLAB, and then we got the answer. We determine the question in the MATLAB, and then we run, and we got the answer as same as the manual calculation. And then same for the question A2, for the question B, question C, C1, C2. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Irfan Andi bin Ismail. My matrix number is CE210072, and I will continue for question 2. So, the question 2 has 3 parts, which is A, B, and C. So, after I did the calculation part, then we need to define the calculation by using software, which is I'm using right now is MATLAB. So let's go into question A. So for question A, this is my coding. So this is for the Z that I differentiate, and this is for integration X and Y. So I run. So I will get the answer, which is the same as question. So let's go for question 2B. So it is also same. We are using triple integral also. But so this is the integration that I key in, and I run, and I got 18, which is the same as my calculation. And for C, this is the integration for spherical, which is you need to key in the data, fee, and row. So I run, and I get the answer 2.6086. This question C also the same value as I get. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amirul Banwa. So today I'm going to show you how to using MATLAB for question 3, B, C, and D. So for the question 3B, we use this coding, which is this is the declare for function and function. This is for the integration for C1, and C1 we got 0. After that, for the C2, for the parameter, we put a parametric, and the integration for C2, which is we got 2. Next is for C3, and this is the integration for C3. We got -3/4. After that, we need to add up all of them, which is C1, C2, and C3. And the answer is 5/4, which is same as the manual calculation C1 0, C2 2, and C3 -3/4, and the answer is 5/4. Next is question 3C, which is we need to use green theorem. So in MATLAB, this is the coding that we need to use for the green theorem, which is n. We have n, m, and for the m, after that we differentiate m to y and n to x. This is the answer after we differentiate. And for n, next is we use x1. We have x1, x2, and y1, and y2 as a upper and lower bound. After that, we integrate and display the answer. And we got 1/4. So the answer is same as the manual calculation. Next is for question 3D, which is to find the work done by the force. The coding that we need to use is this is the coding for the work done. This is the xt and y for the r, and we put the r xy, and we got t and t power of 2, and this is the function from the question. After this, we simplify, we get this answer, and upper and lower bound, which is a in -2 and b is 1. After that, we integrate using the product, and the answer is 3. That's all from me for the question 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fian bin Arifin. I want to present our project lab for question 4A and B. For A, firstly we open the MATLAB. Okay, after we open the lab, I done for question 4A. Okay, after I put this coding, firstly I click in new script for out this thing. Okay, for question 4A, I put this coding and get same answer that I get in writing calculation 20.2500 for the answer. Okay, for second, for question 4B, I using a Maple for do coding. Yeah, I open Maple. This is my file that I use. That's it. Okay, this coding. I put this coding and this our plot 3D for XYZ. And for final answer, I get same like we do 48 pi per 2. Set 2. That's all. Thank you.
We have to I did my simulation using the MATLAB, so I have to do coding first, and after the coding I managed to got the answer for my question for part C. And then first we have to type to clear all of the word that we done before this, while adding the close and clear all and CLC. And then so that the software will understand well what we want to solve by editing all of the informations, equation, and the thing that we want to solve very carefully, and you have to put exactly the goods and the perfect name for your folder, so that the software will understand that was the MC equation, and then blah blah blah. You just have to add that things to your rename your folder, and be careful to rename well your folder, or you will got error to solve the coding. And then after complete the coding, we will run the coding, and we will got the answer for that was equal to 0. And then if we click the x, we will got answer is x equal to cos t, and then y equal to sine t, and then the curl f is equal to 2 cos t power of 2, and then the stroke answer we will got 2 pi. That was the same with my I've got the same answer, same with my manual calculations. So that's all from me. Thank you.